sun where I find. I know it's hard sometimes. Pieces of peace in the sun's peace of mind. I know it's hard sometimes. Yeah, I think about the end just way too much, but it's fun to fantasize on my enemies who wouldn't wish who I was. But it's fun to fantasize.
I have Mallory with me. Ooh.
Oh.
By the way, it's Turtle, and this is
Malcolm. Or Mallory, if you want to call me longer.
it's just Mallory.
Yeah, just call me.
And she's about to go out into the rain and shampoo herself.
Yes. Okay, guys. So
It's not raining that much.
because I don't have my other book.
So first you want to do the shampoo. Really get
Yeah, with dry hair.
really get it in there, you know.
I'm gonna make her
Dang
take a
trees
long
are covering up my
shower.
water. All right, cut the camera. Gotta put more on now. Oh, come out. So let's follow me over to Niagara Falls.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
Ah! Just gonna, just gonna condition it out. Now we're gonna come over here where there's really a rainfall. I can get my drip in. Now here's what I'm talking about. This is my shower. Yeah. Oh, that's a lot better. Ooh, just gotta get that all in there. Woo!
By the way, guys, this is my shirt and my pants.
Go buy it online.
My merch. My new merch.
JK, she's not that lady.
Oh,
Soap in my eyes. Thank you, Mother Nature. Now, we're going to do the conditioner. So now you're just going to always wear shower shoes. What are you looking at?
my mom's seeing if she's coming soon.
Okay. Don't get soap in your nose. Every single day. It saves water and it saves money. Always do it where the roofs are, where the dirty gutter water is. It's the best. Just See, you don't want to go out and get a really nice luxury shower. Because that's wasting water. My mother makes it free every day. Well, not every day, except for that drought. I had to shower indoors. Oh, it's disgusting. She's your t-shirt, honey dooches.
Baby, you're so classic. 1,000 roses, anything for you to notice. All the words serenade you, doing it's not style. I'ma pick you up in a Cadillac like a gentleman. Bring it in my back, keep it real to real in the way I feel. I could walk down the aisle, I wanna do you like Michael. I wanna kiss you like Prince. Let's get it on like Marvin Gaye, like Hathaway. Write a song for you like this. You're over my head, I'm out of my mind, thinking I was wrong in the wrong time.
Are you done with your shower yet?
No, honey. Out.
I kinda like it, now you're out of my league. Old school chic, like a movie star.
those drains over there. Shoot over there. There's a little drain there. And it drains down. Just like all the others.
Okay, this is the end of showering with Mother Nature.
Right, she's doing the conditioner now. She, if you want to see the other stuff, go check out my video.
Shampoo, go check out Mal's.
Yeah, I'm gonna make 2 parts. That's my videos. Like my editing thing is like 5 minutes.
No, Mother Nature needs to make it rain again.
Make it rain, honey. See, I'm gonna make a part 2, and yeah. Yeah, so I can do more 5 minutes.
So this is how we shower.
Yeah, we just wait.
That's actually, yeah, we just use Mother Nature.
Yeah, we just wait till like the rain starts. So
I'm sorry that I got mad at you, Mother Nature. I mean, I just need to make it pour again.
yeah, like I always have to wait for the rain.
Oh my god! Did you see that? Look. It comes out red. Oh, it just kidding. It's just me.
Anyway, I'm gonna make it part 2, so it's gonna be exclusive.
Look at all the shampoo. No, go down a little bit more. There you go.
Mother Nature. Okay, but anyway, so yeah, so we just have to wait till the rain starts, and like I waited a month before, honey. So yeah. Oh, it started recording again. Here, you can film me going out there. I didn't mean to.
Okay, so
Showers are disgusting inside. Oh my gosh.
that's the end of our video.
I love showering in the gutter water.
Me too. Bye.
See you later, honey.
Okay, guys, so that is it. You saw us shower outside in the Mother Nature, I guess. That's what Mallory likes to call it. If you want to see the part where I put the shampoo and not the conditioner in, go check out Mallory's channel. It's just Mallory Gaston.
No, it's
No, it's Mallory Gaston.
no, it's not.
It's Malpal? Oh, well, it's Malpal.
If
That's-
you want us to combine channels,
If you want us to combine channels,
get the video to 50 likes.
I don't even get that many views.
30 likes.
I barely get 30.
20 likes.
Okay, yeah, 20 likes. And, yeah, if you liked this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Have anything to say?
No, just like that button because I really want to, because my phone stops now.
She really wants to combine the videos. Alright, bye.